Hello there, hi guys, I've got a new Intel NUC. I just bought a Samsung SSD 120 odd gigabyte. I got an 8 gigabyte RAM thing in here. All I need to now do is install Archlinux on it, and I will do that. And hopefully that'll be fun to watch. I think I have it working fine. I had to tweak the VLC a lot. I just realized I don't have a keyboard. Okay, so we got that UEFI boot. Actually, that's something I want to try. UEFI boot. I got a fan readout. Got a serial number. First time I find a sixth model. What does it do? Screen capture? Okay, whatever. What does it save it to? Update BIOS. Okie failed to retrieve product catalog. Definitely have it all connected here. Download drivers. Advanced. See ya. Near-field communication? Oh, you can toggle SD card. Weird. Yo! Security! Unattended BIOS configuration. What was prompt? Whatever. Yes, go on the internet. How do you configure the network? I mean, it's just DHCP. It's the easiest thing. Let's see. Control H. See all shortcuts. Reveal. Alt. Home. Cooling. What does that do for cooling? Wow. I want it balanced. Network disconnected. Well, it's not disconnected, is it? Actually, there's no lights. Ha ha! Ha ha! It's connected now. I've connected you now. I see blinky, blinky, blinkies. Blinkety blink blinks. Oops, I hit the wrong button. I'm on the wrong computer. What am I doing? Oh, add-on config. Yeah. So it's a Realtek. What's iSCSI mean? I don't know what iSCSI is. I have no idea why you would use UEFI over. Well, I should give it a good old go. Download drivers. Definitely connected, dude. Put this keyboard down somewhere. I have too much crap. Try a different network cable. This great one might be giving me grief. These blinky lights. Yo. Didn't make any changes. Dude. Okay, let's try this again. Network is connected, dude. It is so connected. There's blinky lights and everything. Memory configuration. I really tried. I tried to update the. I have tried to update the BIOS, but I couldn't. Wasn't able to figure out how to get you on the internet. Okay, buddy. Let's just install Archlinux. What? Oh, sorry. P111111. Write it out. Make a fess. Actually, let's. Is ButterFS here? I'm gonna try ButterFS because I'm just stupidly bored right now. Whatever. Just gonna. What the hell? How do I do this? Arch Linux install guide. Ain't talking about base. Okay, now I'm studying the systemd boot thing. I'm just trying to understand how. First, make sure you're booted in UEFI mode. Your EFI variables are accessible. Okay. Root. EFI. Bar. B. It looks like I'm in EFI mode. Okay, whatever. Looking at systemd. UEFI system partition is properly mounted and your kernel and init RAM FS are copied onto that ESP Wow, this is complicated. I have no idea why I'm even looking at this. It looks really complicated. Okay, let's try this bootctl status. Oh, wrong computer. Bootctl status. File system /boot is not a fat EFI system partition file system. System partition. Find mount boot EFI. Sorry, typing in the wrong one. I never even knew about this command, find mount. What the hell is all this stuff? Boot is not a fat EFI system partition. bootctl. Still trying to work how to mount my ESP. Super bass, super bass. Okay. Oops. I have no idea how to mount my ESP. Okay, there's EFI right there. Let's have a look at the... Okay, pacstrap worked fine. Do 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 do. It's an OS independent part that acts as a storage place for EFI bootloaders and applications to be launched. Fdisk create a partition with partition. Okie dokie, I think I know what to do. I think I'll do this again. I have to create a separate boot directory that is FAT32 partitioned. Fuck yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Let's nuke this. Let's Fdisk it again. Let's nuke it. Nuke primary 1, and I'm going to make it in the first sector, and then I'm going to make it plus 512 megabyte. Plus 512 megabytes. Megs. Uh-oh. M for help. How do you change a partition type again? Oh, let's start from the beginning. It's a GPT disabled. One. First sector. Plus 512 megabytes. Change partition type. Load. It's the EFI system. Then I create a new one, and the rest of that will be ButterFS. Okay, so sorry, wrong computer. F32 dev SDA1. I think that's what it wants me to run. Boom. Make fs dot butterfs dev SDA2. Boom. Now boot is probably mounted already. Can't have that. So that's, oh, what have I done? Whatever. Let's go into mount. Let's go mount boot. Make the root. Mount dev SDA1 into boot. And mount everything else into root. And then I'm going to go bootctl at this point, and then I'm going to go and then I will go path mount. Oh, what is it? I hate switches and goddamn boot. Oh no, mount boot update. Did that work? I have no idea. There's nothing written there. Boot. Load a device part UUID. No such file or directory. Install. Yes, please. I've installed it, I hope. What is the status, dear? Okay. Let's pacstrap that. You know, I think I should have. Okay. Probably done a boo-boo here. I done a boo-boo. Okay, let's just cancel this. Okay, boot is mounted. That's good. But then we need to mount ButterFS on fucking hell. STA2 onto mount. Can that possibly work? You mount boot. Make dir boot mount dev sta1 onto boot. Does that make any sense? Okay, now we can pacstrap this little gangster. So yeah. Well, that's not easy, eh? How do I find my part UUID? Will this work? Is anyone's guess. Let me move my fat head to the top right here. Got the sheet. Double check I got the disk sizes right. Yes, I did. Okay, back here. How do you find the part UUID? Wow. Okay, great. Well, Gen, what do you call it? Gen FS tab. Wait, how do I use this program again? When is PMNT? PMNT. It's a mount point, guys. It was a mount point. It's a mount point, guys. Why isn't it a mount point? What's going on in mount boot? Exciting stuff. run through that one at least. Make init CPIO. Don't know why you have to do this. Very fucking boring. I did that. Block ID minus S part UID. Oops. Block ID minus S part UID. Okay, I'm trying to find the part U minus O value. Minus O value. Dev STA 1, 2. Huh? Okay, well I got those values. I don't know how I'm supposed to. Okay, I'm gonna U-mount boot. I'm gonna U-mount boot mount. Okay, well, I'm just gonna try this. I know I'm not filling in the arch thing. I'm just gonna give it a good old go. See what happens, yo. Linux bootloader, yes. There was no options. Okay, I see. I gotta put some options in there. Yeah. Why does this take so long to reboot? I would love to know. Oops, I did something wrong. Hey, you've got internet, you little sucker. I didn't change anything. What's so hard to... Visual BIOS, guys, you could do a lot better job. Please. Enter boot menu. Didn't it? What did I... Enter setup. I want boot menu, F10. Default loader. That didn't go well. I love how it doesn't give you an option to go back even. Okay. We're back with a brand new invention. I've got a good idea. What? I didn't even select you. Okay, I'm pressing F10. This is so boring. Linux boot manager, bootloader, SanDisk. Okay. Let's rearrange it, shall we? Advanced. Yes, now I can make a change. Thanks, guys. Now I'm gonna... Yay! Yeah. Okay, booting back from the USB stick. Okay, let's mount div str1 on. Okay, let's mount this one first, and then boot should be empty or not even there. Not even there. Mount div str1 the fat partition, and then I'm going to do bootctl path equals mount boot update. Install. Loader.conf. It's kind of boring. Okay, I need to create some entries here, I guess. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going back and forth. Title. I'll name you Archlinux. Where is your Linux kernel? vmlinuz-linux. What? Oh. It's not called kernel, it's called init. I mean, it's called Linux. Wow. One day there might be another kernel, but we named everything Linux. Morons. What is this one called? .image. Let's see what the boot says. Oh, no. Yeah. Do we need to have a root specified? Really? Do we? Do we really need one? Because getting the block ID value over there is not easy. Not easy, but not impossible. Block ID. Ooh, cracky. This command is severely difficult. Minus S part UUID minus O value dev SDA2. That's the root. Okay, there's a value. Options. I got options. Root equals part UUID. Root equals part UUID equals read write. I have to specify read write because this thing's a moron. Oh, that doesn't look right, does it? Init RAM. That could have been tragic. Init RAM fs-linux image vmlinuz vmlinuz-linux. Wow. Pain in the ass writing all this. So we're done? We're done here? I'll let it be now. Okay, let's try that again. And taking the USB stick out. Come on, system D, boot. I'm an arch. Wow, that was quick. Analyze. Analyze this. I booted into my system in 15 seconds. Seemed a bit quicker than that. Firmware was 12 seconds. Maybe it was measuring the NUC crap. Let's do a stopwatch, folks. Let's do a stopwatch. Reboot. A stopwatch from reboot? It's a big... Let's try it. A stopwatch from reboot. Start. Yes, the Intel NUC. Oh, sorry, that was about 20 seconds. System D, analyze. Analyze this. Okay, let's try that again. I'm gonna power off this sucker. Powering off. Okay, it's powered off. Yes, it's powered off. Now I'm going to okay, I clicked the start button and the power button on the NUC exactly the same time. And we're booted. This is 21 seconds. Probably going to have some haters saying, oh, it doesn't really matter how long your computer takes. So, okay, it says 16 seconds there and it says 21 here on my wall clock. Why is that so why is that Intel NUC thing so freaking slow? Riddle me that. I'm going to have a look at the BIOS again. The BIOS, which seems to think my network is disconnected, which is not true. Not true. Oh. Dude, I pressed F2, I swear I pressed F2. Take 25. Come on, Visual BIOS dudes. Just try and make it not suck, right? Please. Only got one thing selected there. How is this better? How is EFI actually better? UEFI. How is that better? I got Linux. I want fast boot. Unlimited boot to network attempts. Startup sound. Let's try that out, huh? Internal EFI. Suppress alert messages. Oh, does network boot? Okay, let's try this optimization. Now it doesn't boot at all. Okay, yeah, well, it booted. Was that faster? Okay, let's try the legendary wall clock test. I'm going to hit the power button and this at the same time. Boom, boom. Oh, sorry. Roughly at the same time. Roughly. Okay, well, 17 seconds. It is an improvement. It is an improvement, definitely. And what does systemd analyze say? 12 seconds. Okay, I'm going to hit F2, see if I can get back into the menu. The Visual BIOS, the one that seems to think I don't have a network connection. Hate you, Visual BIOS. I hate you. Right, that's not working. I was pressing F2 all that time. I hate these BIOSes. I mean, it's not getting any better. It's getting more complex, I guess. It's getting sucking more. I'm just pressing F2, F5, F2, F5. It's booting. It just boots into Linux. I can't get into the BIOS anymore. Okay, wait a minute. I tried F2, I tried F10. Admittedly, I did not try Del. Del, F2, F10, Del, F2, escape. Still boots into Linux. Okay, Visual BIOS guys, you need to give me a hand here. Actually, I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna just mash the F1 keys. I'm mashing them. Mashing them. Yeah, rock. I still boot into Linux. Okay, awesome. Okay, I think this concludes my systemd boot extravaganza. Hopefully I can, hopefully this was useful to you guys. See ya!